Why do you keep reacting the same way even when you know it's not good for you? Why do certain people triggers you so deeply? That's your shadow. And until you face it, it controls you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do shadow work step by step so you can understand yourself better and start healing. Before you know how to do it, it is really important you to know what shadow work is. So shadow work is basically the process of facing the parts of yourself that you avoid. Your insecurities, your jealousy, your anger, your fear, all the things that you hide or don't want to admit, that's your shadow. Most of us were taught to ignore these parts like don't be angry, don't be emotional, be nice, be perfect, so we push everything else down and try to act like we are okay. But the truth is, suppress emotions don't disappear. They show up in your actions, your habits, your relationships, your decisions, in short, in your day to day life. And that's why sometimes you overreact. And that's why small things hurt you more than they should. And that's why you repeat the pattern again and again. Because the part of you that needs attention is being ignored. So now the core of the video, how to do shadow work. Step 1, awareness. Start noticing your triggers. What makes you angry? What makes you insecure? What type of people irritates you? Your triggers are not the problem, they are clues. Step 2, ask why. Whenever you feel triggered, don't react immediately. Ask yourself, why did this affect me so much? After that, go deeper. Is it rejection? Is it fear of not being enough? Or is it something from your past? Step 3, accept it. And it is the hardest part, acceptance. You have to be honest with yourself. Maybe you are insecure, maybe you seek validation, or maybe you are hurt. And that's okay. You can't heal if you keep denying. Step 4 is inner work. Start working with it. Journal your thoughts. Talk to yourself like you would do to a friend. Understand where this pattern started. Give yourself the validation you keep seeking from others. Step 5, change pattern. Awareness without action changes nothing. If you know you overreact, pause next time. If you know you please people, start saying no. Small changes repeated daily. That's how you heal. Shadow work isn't about being perfect, it's about being honest. Face yourself even when it feels uncomfortable. Because the day when you stop running from yourself, you start growing. If you want to change your life, you have to start it by understanding yourself. Because it is the place where the real transformation begins. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I would love to hear your perspective in the comment section. And thank you for watching till the end. I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's meet in the next video soon. Till then, bye and take care.